everybody, I'm just leaving camp now. We're gonna head to Stewart Island. Gonna have a bit of a flick with the rod. I got the lure on it with one of those little silver spoon lures. So we're gonna have a bit of a fish, and then today's just a bit of an explore sort of day. So yeah, head there now. Also got to fuel up. But yeah, we'll head there now, have a bit of a flick, and then I think I know of another really cool spot next to, I think it's a I'm not too sure what the caravan parks. It's like one of those big holiday parks. I think it's that one is right next to there. It's sort of like an inlet slash river. I think it goes to sort of like a river. So we'll go there, have a suss, and yeah, see you guys there. So we're going to go and have a look at the other spot I know next to that holiday park that I was talking about. So we'll probably have to go fuel up anyway. So we'll go fuel up and then we'll see you guys there. And here it is, guys. GQ is just parked up behind me. I got my drone. It actually turns into a backpack with the DJI Maverick 3. I'll show you that to you guys. And that's it there. The tide is out pretty far. So I'm wondering if I can walk across. Still looks pretty deep in the middle though. So see if I can find a way across. Just got the rod out of the car. Still have this little lure on it. I don't have the actual tackle with me. Go chuck it in and see if anything jumps on. I doubt it will, but you know, you never know. Might be a few mullet in here or something. I'll do a few casts, see what happens. Massive stingray just cruising past. I did not think it would be in a real shallow river like this. It's literally, this leads to nothing. It's just over there. Dang. Oi, Milo, up. Milo wants a closer look at it. Alright, it's coming back. This is, check this out. Right there, it is huge. Massive. Stay. Can't believe that just cruised past. As if that's in here. I mean, obviously it goes to the ocean. Something that size. That's just crazy. Anyways, no luck fishing, exactly what I thought, because it's not really the right lure to be using, but thought I'd try anyway. So we're gonna pack up, and it's just about lunchtime now, so gonna go grab a feed, and yeah, see you guys after lunch. Hey guys, welcome back. It is currently the next day. We pretty much moved to a caravan park just to charge up, fill up water, and do some washing and whatnot. I believe this is called Karma Aora, and yeah, the view over there is insane. I'll show you guys, but for now, just setting up. It's about $50 a night, and you pretty much get your own little ensuite with it. So I've got the van parked that way, gonna put my awning out, and yeah, because obviously it's not the best weather. It looks like it's gonna start raining. So I'm sheltered pretty much, got my own ensuite. I can give my van a bit of a clean. Yeah, pretty much just give everything a clean and top up. And yeah, should be good. I'll give you guys a little tour after I'm finished setting up the van, unhitched and whatnot. So I'll see you guys after I do that. Alright, here we are a few hours later, all set up. It's actually a really nice caravan park. I'll take you guys for a little walk around and a little tour of the place. After dinner, I'm going to cook dinner first. But yeah, real cool. Gave my van a big clean out. And also I put all my washing. Obviously you got to stop at a caravan park every now and then, chuck all your washing in. Just makes it so much easier than hand washing. But yeah, pretty much this is the little ensuite. So you got your van, I've got all these little bays, and that's pretty much the ensuite. So I put my awning, it's on a bit of a slant just so the water runs off if it rains. But yeah, you pretty much got your own little ensuite. So you got your van there, you got your ensuite, walk in, you've got your sink, toilet, shower, your own little place, I guess, which is pretty cool. It's got power, water for your van as well. The van's plugged in, getting a good charge up. And yeah, plenty of room for the car. You could even probably get another car behind the van if you had to. But yeah, anyways, let's start this cook up. Tonight we'll be cooking up those fillets. I caught a few fish at Cozy Corner, so out at Stewart Island there. So got a few good fillets we'll be putting in breadcrumbs and cooking those up, and we'll be having those on the side with some tartare sauce and salad. So let's get cooking. So first of all, we're gonna put some oil in the pan and we're gonna leave that to heat up. So while we got that there, I got some egg with some spices, some garlic and parsley cut up. Gonna get a fork, give it a bit of a whisk. Alright, so all that's whisked up. Now we're gonna dip the fillets inside of this egg and whatnot, and then we're gonna chuck it in the breadcrumbs, flip them over a few times, and then chuck them on the fry pan. Nice fillet. Chuck it on. Do the same with the other fillets. Now what we're going to do is flip them over. Put a bit more oil and then wait and let them sizzle. Some good smells coming off of the fry pan. Alrighty guys, lucky last. And what I usually do with the rest of the egg, I just pretty much put a bit of breadcrumbs with it and chuck it in, and it turns into like an omelette. Instead of wasting it, tastes pretty good. If only you guys could smell. I'm going to bring this over to Mum and Dad's van. They should have the salad ready by now. And yeah, got a few olives to go with it on the side and some tartare sauce. I'm going to dig in and then I'll show you guys a little bit around the place for a little tour straight after I finish. I'm just taking Milo for a walk, show you guys around so you guys can see the vans behind us. And they've pretty much got these little ensuite type things like right throughout the whole front section. And this is the view. It's awesome. Look at that. overlooking massive valley, all the karri trees and whatnot. That's pretty much the entrance there. Drive in, and yeah, pretty much all along there are the bays. And I believe if you go down that way, they've actually got all the chalets and little mini studios and whatnot. He's always got to play with something. So yeah, they got all the mini studios. I think it's more like a motel sort of things. But yeah, real neat caravan park, like really neat. All the lawns are well maintained, gardens are maintained. Even just the en-suites, they're all really well maintained and actually really nice inside. They've got a playground up top for kids and whatnot. Got your front little mini skip. That's the entry there, and as you keep walking down this bit over here, this is the caravan park. Alright. Yeah, getting a photo of Milo. That's the one there. So yeah, real neat caravan park, as you guys can see in the video. It's just very neat. And this is a massive outlook valley down here. It's just awesome. It's really cool. They've like sort of integrated, they've kept all the karri trees around the campsite as you go around, and then the rest of it's all lawns. Really good if you had like a young family with kids. Real nice lawns to play on and whatnot. And yeah, got a massive lookout. It's really nice how they've got all the trees lined up and planted in a row as well. That over there, those are one of the chalets. And this down here, go for a little walk, I believe is a little barbecue cook-up type area with obviously a really nice view. So I'll go check that out now. Milo's loving it. Milo, come here. Come here. Come here. Take his lead off so he doesn't strangle himself. But yeah, this is a little barbecue area, I think. Or just a little, yeah, barbecue area. Real nice barbecue area. So you can be cooking dinner with a view like this. That's just insane. Like, insane. Milo, you like the view? Yeah? Yeah, he likes it. So yeah, guys, I'll put the caravan park in the description so you guys can check that out if you're ever down these ways. But I highly recommend it because it's wicked, very well upkept caravan park, that's for sure. So yeah, the rest of today I'm just gonna chill. I'll show you Milo. Ready? Go on, go. Where's the ball? Get it. Where's the ball? Where is it? Over here. Over here. Loving it. Yeah, so the rest of today I'm just going to chill, and then I'll see you guys tomorrow. We'll probably go see Elephant Rocks and a few other sightseeing places, and we'll take you guys along with us, get the drone up in the air, and yeah, should be wicked.